Hello, Currency Kings and Queens. I took a trade on Friday and it was amazing. I wanted to share it with you. I have it sped up so that you can see kind of what's going on, but it was a micro NQ trade that I took, and this is the supply and demand setup. Started the trade pretty early and noticed the supply and demand from the uptrend on the higher time frame. So I drew in my zones and my entry point, and kind of set my risk. I noticed that the trend was going deeper into the zone. So I let my stop loss have somewhat of a cushion. So just in case it went down and closed still above the area, my trade would still be valid and it would not stop me out. Sometimes with a volatile pair, you have to do that. I noticed that when the candlestick closed, that it did respect the zone. And so that validated that my supply and demand was still good with the rejection wick that closed on the previous candle. So we have an active candle. It's pushing up. This day was pretty bullish in the market as a whole, so that's why I was pretty secure in taking this trade as well. I do have a resistance area up top. I kind of marked that for either take profit, some partials, or to see if it would respect or reject this area to let me know if the trend would continue. Remember, at times you have to manage some of the trades as the trade is playing out. I noticed that it was still quite a few sellers in the market at this time, so I hadn't moved my stop loss up just yet. I was still giving it enough room to move the way it needed to move. I was also waiting on a close above the previous high, and just trying to see how it would play out. And remember, you always want to wait until the candle close to confirm the position. If the candle is still active, it could be trending up the whole time until that time runs out, and then you'll be surprised the last few seconds it'll close the opposite direction. So be sure and always wait for a candle to close to confirm. Current candle, I noticed the push above the previous high, and due to the wicking of the other two candles or other three candles, it gave more of less to me and indecisive because the wick was on the top, so it just really didn't confirm anything. And when you do not have a confirmation of a continuation, you want to wait. So this candle kind of confirmed that for me.